Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is the same pa rin yung topic natin. It's all about special products. Andito na tayo sa ating problem number 2. So, problem number 2, a square parking lot turned into a rectangular shape with its length x plus 4 and its width is x minus 4. So, what is the area? Okay, so i-draw natin yung uh, parking lot. Okay, so this is a rectangular shape. So, yung length niya, ito yung length, yung mahaba, diba? Length, tapos yung width, ayan. So, ang value ng length is x plus 4, diba? So, x plus 4. Width is x minus 2, x minus 4. So, ang question is, what is the area? So, the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. Okay? So, substitute natin yan. Area equals, yung value ng length is x plus 4 or the quantity of x plus 4. Then, times the quantity of x minus 4. Ito yung value ng width. So, FOIL method tayo. Okay? Ayan. So, FOIL method, ibig sabihin, multiply natin yung first. Okay? First term. Yung first is x times x. The result is, mamaya natin. So, continue muna tayo sa FOIL method. Outer. X times negative 4. Okay? Next, inner. Positive 4 times x. Ayan. Then, last term. Positive 4 times negative 4. Ayan. Simplify, x times x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. 4 times x, positive 4x. Then, positive 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Ayan. Simplify. Cancel natin yung negative 4x at saka positive 4x. Kasi 0 na yan. So, ang naiwan, x squared minus 16. Okay, so, ito yung pattern ng ating sum and difference of two terms. Product of sum and difference. So, ang pattern niya is kapag mag-multiply tayo ng the quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a minus b. So, ang result niya is a squared minus b squared. Okay, so example, or where a in the first term and b is the second term. So, the result of squaring binomial is called difference of two squares. So, ito yung i-discuss natin, difference of two squares. So, example. So, i-follow natin yung pattern. Okay? So, the quantity of x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 3. So, same lang. Ang sundin na natin yung pattern natin. Okay? Sum and difference. So, first, yung a squared, di ba? So, magiging x squared yan. Then, minus. Ang b is 3. So, 3 squared. Ayan. Minus. Always yung minus kasi difference nga. Then, x squared, so the result is, or the quantity of x squared, yes, to the square sa 2, square sa 2, exponent niya is 2, sorry, pandamay, hindi na ako i-delete hindi na ako i-edit, dito na ta. So, the square of x is equal to x squared, then, minus, always yan, kasi yun ang pattern. Tapos, ang i-simplify lang natin dyan, yung 3 squared. Okay? 3 squared or 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? So, always follow the pattern sa sum and difference. Example number 2. Ayan. 2y or the quantity of 2y minus 5 times the quantity of 2y plus 5. So, same pattern. 2y, yan, close and open, or the quantity of 2y, then squared. Then minus 5, then squared. Simplify, pwede natin simplify yan. So, that is 4y squared minus 25. Okay? Bakit nagiging 4y squared? So, 2y times 2y is equal to 4y squared. Then, 5 times 5 is 25. Kopyahin natin yung difference. Yun lang ang pattern. Okay? Difference of two squares. Okay, another example or exercises tayo. The quantity of x plus 9 times the quantity of x minus 9. So, ang gagawin lang, sundin natin yung pattern, x squared, tapos isa minus 9 squared, so that simplify na, 81. Okay? Next, 3x. So, 3x times 3x, 9x squared, minus 2 squared, so 4. Ayan, 9x squared minus 4. Okay, so yan lang po yung topic natin. Yung problem number 3, sa sunod na naman yan. Kasi cube na yan. Okay? So, maraming salamat sa panonood at pagkikinig. At sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless. Bye-bye.